Hey friends, welcome back to Doggy Disguises. Y'all, I am so excited to teach you how to draw this dog today. We are going to draw a dog dressed as Baby Yoda. Yes, too perfect, a little French bulldog. They go perfect together. So go ahead and grab your favorite art supplies and let's go ahead and get started. Oh my goodness, I saw this picture and it was so funny and cute. So we're gonna go ahead and draw it today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a nice kind of lump, it can be slightly lumpy, bumpy curve at the top. And this is going to be for the top of the Baby Yoda hat. And then let's go ahead and draw a little bit of a line down, and then we're gonna connect it again. So we're gonna just kind of connect them there. This poor dog does not look super happy. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and draw kind of like on the side of where the hat is, two curved lines that go out. Obviously, these are gonna be Yoda's ears. We're gonna kind of go to the bottom where the hat is and we're gonna curve up and connect. So we're gonna curve up and connect. Very good. And then we're going to go kind of in the middle, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna kind of mimic that same thing. This is just gonna be the inside of the ear. So I'm gonna go curve and then connect right there as well. Let's go ahead and put in the Baby Yoda's eyes. So I'm gonna make them kind of like flattened because, you know, they're going back on his head. They wouldn't be perfect circles. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then just draw a little shine, maybe on the top and the bottom, and then fill it all in around it. All right, I will draw a few little lines at the top there. Okay, perf. Now let's go ahead and draw a curved line down and a curve. This line goes a little bit wider than the hat. Our bulldog has a nice wide face, so we're gonna kind of bring that line out and then slowly in. And then I'm gonna do like a little curve down for like a little chin. All right, I drew a French bulldog, or I tried to do that a couple days ago, and it didn't really go so hot. So I'm gonna redeem myself today. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the fold at the nose. And so kind of like right in, well, let's see, where like the middle is, I'm gonna go and draw a curved line down. And I'm not gonna fully connect it, and then I'm just gonna do a curved line that goes down. The very tippy top, I think the key is here is we make a smaller nose that doesn't have like that shadow or that light that I was kind of doing, and just do a short little line. And then I'm going to go down, and I'm actually gonna loop it and connect to the cheek. So I'm gonna go down and then come around and loop up. And there's not really like a bottom chin, so I'm just gonna do like a little curved line that just kind of shows there's like a chin, but it's not a snout necessarily going out. I'm gonna add a few little dots just kind of in lines there. And I'm gonna also add another layer, like another folded layer at the top here. Kind of like a little V. This is very detailed. And I think I also have to just make any kind of bulldog, Boston Terrier, their eyes a little bit different. So I'm going to do more of an almond-shaped eye than just the dot. And then we can just kind of leave a little shine. Okay, I think this looks better than it has in the past. You can do a couple little eyebrow action, and then there are some lines kind of going down. So I'm gonna simplify that. I should have just looked at my guide because I know I have a French bulldog in here. Oh, see, there's my Frenchie that I did here. Boston Terrier, bulldog. They just have a different pug, like a different type of snout. So there's that. Okay, the hardest part of our Yoda is done. We're totally in smooth sailing now. Let's go ahead and draw a line that curves down and a line that curves down. And let's just kind of continue the lines a little bit longer. These are just going to go ahead and be the paws, so, or the jacket, I should say, on our Yoda. These are the sleeves, and then we're going to go up and up. This is about a finger's length, a finger's width, I should say, apart. And then I'm going to make the chest a little bit higher up. I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple just real simple kind of curves going down here. Doot, doot. And it looks like there is some texture. I don't know if it's supposed to be like kind of like a robe, I guess. I'm not a super huge Star Wars person. I know. I'm sorry. My son likes Star Wars, but I'm just not as into it. Okay, so we're going to just do a little bit of texture for the robe. And then a really easy little leg. We're just going to kind of sneak overlapped 2 little curves here. And then I like to just make the legs kind of come slightly down. And then, and then I like to drop my marker. Cool, cool. Okay. And I think this little cutie's done. I'm just adding a couple little wrinkles to the outfit. These just never get old. I mean, really, they just never get old. So anyway. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed drawing Baby Yoda today. Come back tomorrow where we draw another cute little doggy.